क्या खिला रहे हो? इतना बड़ा बड़ा आप डालोगे तो कहाँ से खाएंगे? Good morning from Bandra Bandstand. I come here every morning for a walk. I mean, there are other options too. There is a park near my house called the Met Gardens. Then there's Carter Road. But I prefer Bandstand. I've been coming here for last 6-7 months before the lockdown. During the lockdown, the situation here is absolutely quiet. Hardly any walkers, just a few regular faces. Mr. Salim Khan and his band of devoted friends who sit in a corner chatting. I met him yesterday, had a talk with him. I consider him my guru. Then there is Mr. R.C. Wala, a very dear friend who walks, and Mr. Suresh Bhatt. These are the few, and Mr. Fonseca, who takes care of the promenade along with Bernie. Bernie is not even seen. But lockdown has made a lot of people miserable. A lot of people are still jobless. I met a rickshaw guy and he says it's been the most terrible time of his life. So many stories. I just shot a video of Wild Orchid. It's a lady I've been shooting. She is a married woman. She, along with her mother, they clean the Rocky Bandra Bandstand beach. And they are paid by Salman Khan Foundation, I'm told. I'm fascinated by the work they do. Because the Bandstand beach is a rocky beach. And it's really jagged beach, you can cut your hand. And they have no gloves. I give them a few masks. But that's not enough. They don't have safety shoes. So the daughter, she works 15 days with her mother and 15 days her brother works with her mother. They just offered me a cup of tea. And these are the street stories that I get at Bandstand, which I could not really get at Carter Road. I find big difference. Bandstand is dimensional, it's got a lot of stories happening. It makes me poeticize what I shoot. Majid, my friend, who has elephantiasis, used to beg, not beg here actually, used to come to bathe. There's a sweet water outlet. He used to come out there, bathe, wash his clothes, hang around till it dries up. And then after it's dried up, he would walk all the way up Kane Road and sit down at the foot of Mount Mary begging. But he has disappeared. Most of the migrant beggars I know in Bandra Bazaar Road, Khwaja, Jafar Bhai, a lot of them have just gone. They all disappeared. Now there are new faces. Faces that don't look like beggar faces. But then this lockdown has crushed the poor man, has crushed the common man, has crushed the middle class. I can't say anything about the rich. I'm not a rich man. But the rich man doesn't have as many problems. Anyway, the rich man is living in an ivory tower. Unlike me, he won't come down. I know a friend of mine who has not come down for the last 3 months. He's walking on the terrace. He's a very, very dear friend. But he's scared to come down, scared of the virus. We are all scared of the virus. And in spite of having a mask, sanitization, everything, you can still get attacked by the virus. There are almost 6 to 7 to 8 deaths in my lane. And all coronavirus. Yesterday I saw an old man being taken in an ambulance. I don't know what was his problem. But the moment they saw the ambulance and this guy being shifted into the ambulance, the crowd entirely dispersed. This is the fear of coronavirus, COVID-19. So, the equation has changed. And then the politicians talk of Atmanirbhar. What does Atmanirbhar do if you're empty? If your pockets are empty and your stomach is empty, your children are asking for food. It's really, really sad situation. I have been carrying masks with me on the promenade, at the bazaar. I buy about 20 to 30 masks every day and I distribute it as much as I can. I give money also. My entire business has been wiped out completely. All my savings are gone. My daughter Samia had helped me. I have not yet done my angiography. My house is on a home loan and my son has taken a moratorium for 6 months. He is also working from home. My other son is working from home. I have 4 granddaughters. They're all at home. So this is life. How's things your end? Everywhere you go, people with masks. Beyond caste or creed, beyond caste, color or creed, there is a mask, and God is taking you to task. Why? Don't ask. I thank all of you to follow me, subscribe to my videos at YouTube, photographer number one. And recently I started posting my videos at IGTV. But the money I get a little bit from my YouTube platform, I use it to pay the school fees of school kids in the slums, or through a lady I help out people in the slums. There's a little bit that I can do, I do. But otherwise, life is not what it used to be. I don't read books at all. I don't watch movies. But I started recently to kill time. I don't read books at all because I have a problem with my eyesight, diabetes, and what you call diminishing eyesight. I have kidney problem. I have heart problem. I have diabetes, and I'm thankful to three great doctors of Mumbai. One is Dr. Manoj Chadda, endocrinologist at Hinduja, who's been taking care of me for last 1 year now. In June I will complete a year. And then Dr. Shrinik Mishra of Hinduja Khar. He has been really, even he was the one who suggested I take an influenza shot, and I took that in I took that in February because I was prone to cold, cold, no cough, just cold and phlegm. And then there is Mr. Jatin Kothari of Hinduja Mahi, who's prescribed some stuff for my kidney because my creatinine was very high. But I have not met any of these doctors after February, and I hope this lockdown ends and then I go and see them at OPD. I can't afford the charges otherwise, and I don't believe in online consultation. And here once again I thank my brother who's in UK, Birmingham, and his son Shayan and his wife Shivani. They were down. He's my youngest brother. He's become an Englishman. Then I have another brother called Shakib, who's taken up my father's trade. He's a master cutter. And I have another brother Zaid, who works for an export house. I have sisters, Najma, she's a housewife. Farzana, she's a motivational coach. Rehana, who's doing something called cat therapy. She has adopted 18 Persian cats. She takes good care of them. She's really handling them. She's a single mother of cats. My heart goes out to her. So this is my family, all scattered. Some in Lokhandwala, some in BKC, Taximan's Colony, one at Kolaba. Kolaba is where we live, my parents live. It's still there, the house at Strand Cinema, 3 Mohini Mansion. I have relocated to Bandra. It's been 25-30 years now. So take care. Wish you all the very best. It's nice talking to you all. I'm sorry I have disabled my comment box at YouTube because I'm getting too many hateful comments. Because I'm a Muslim, but I'm not an Islamic channel. I'm a Muslim. I don't wear a skull cap. I don't wear a tehmat or a lungi. I wear a turban. I wear long gowns. And I'm a Shia Muslim. But I believe in interfaith. And I'm a Sufi Kalandri. I'm a Sufi Madhariya. I'm a Khalifa. I've documented Sufism for the last 25 years. I'm documenting Aghoris for the last 4 to 5 years. I've documented the Naga Sadhus from 2003. I've done the Nasik Kumbh. I did the Mahakumbh, Allahabad. I did the Nasik Kumbh again in 2015. I did the Ujjain Kumbh. I did the Arth Kumbh at Prayagraj in 2019. And now, despite my low immunity and everything, I'm planning for my next Kumbh, which is at Haridwar in 2021. I have a disciple of my Guru. My Guru died. He was Shri Vijayagiri Maharaj of Juna Akhada, Thiramadi. He was an amazing guy. He was a Naga Sadhu and he was a great Supreme Tantric. He used to become a woman. I have not seen that avatar of his. But my other His disciple has told me about him. In Bangalore, he used to become a woman, he used to talk like a woman, he used to behave like a woman, and he used to heal people. So this is the magic of India. And it is only India that I shoot. I don't shoot any other country. I don't have the money to go to any other country. I love India. I shoot India, and I shoot every religion. I become the religion that I shoot. I'm not connected to Wahhabism, not connected to Tabligh Jamaat, not connected to Ahl Hadith, I'm not connected to Brailwi. I am a Shia Muslim. And if you ask me whom I follow Ali and Hussein. They relieve my pain. I don't complain. I love India, I don't need Spain. Thank you all.